What's up? What's up? People's Choice Mobile LLC coming back at you today. All right, y'all, I got a live one for you. This one here is a full detail. The guy's looking to sell his vehicle, and so he wanted me to kind of rescue it so he can get the resale value back up. But this vehicle is full of it is full of dog hair. Mostly a lot of dog hair. It's got a lot of dirt and debris in the carpet. But my biggest issue is going to be the dog hair that I'm gonna have to worry about in this vehicle. This is a Dodge 1500 Ram pickup truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and get busy with it. You already know my procedures and what I do. Now, because the carpet is black, I may be able to get away with only spot shampooing it, but really a lot of the discoloration is coming from the debris and the dirt that's just trapped in the fibers of the carpet. So we're going to start with the vacuum, get all of the dog hair out, and get all of this dirt and debris out from the center console and the cup holders, and we're gonna work with it. And like I said, you already know my procedure. So once we're done, I'll come back and I'll show you the after video. All right, check you guys out in a little bit. Okay, so back at you. Carpet has been resuscitated and brought back to life. No dog hair. Also got a lot of the dog hair out of the seats as well. So the next step is the door panels, coming back and doing the door panels, and then the dashboard and the center console. I still have these door panels to get, but I wanted to show you guys the progress of the carpets. So the next step is the center console, door panels, and this armrest area here. Get it all squared away. Now for that, for these door panels and the center console and the dash around the radio, not exactly on the radio, but around the radio area, I will be using a steam. I will be using my steam cleaner. So I will be getting back with you guys shortly, let you see progress on that when I'm done. All right. What up, what up? All right, People's Choice Mobile LLC coming back at you. We're finally done with the inside, the interior of the vehicle. Got it dressed down. Got it all nice and squared away on the inside. The next step is to go ahead and wash it, clay it, and then wax it. I think by far this was one of the worst vehicles that I have done interior-wise. When I tell you it was all kinds of dog hair in here, it was so bad that it was just unbelievably hard to get out. The seat fibers had dog hair intertwined in them. The carpet had dog hair intertwined in it. And the door panels had dog hair on it and caked up inside of the cracks and crevices. All inside the cracks and crevices of the door panels and any of the hidden places where they were. So all of the dog hair is gone. The vehicle smells good, looks fresh on the inside. So the next step is to go ahead and get the exterior done, wash it, clay it, wax it. And my procedure for that is, while it's soaked up, I'm gonna go ahead and quick clay it with the rag or the mitts, clay mitts, and then I'll come back and do a quick spray wax. And this one will be one and done. But I just wanted to recap and let you guys see the interior. The headliner is done. The seatbelt posts and the pillars are done. Sun visors are done. Everywhere you look, it's been touched. So I'll be back with you guys shortly. Okay, People's Choice Mobile LLC, we are done with the product. So of course you've seen the inside of it already. And so now the outside, just showing the outside of it. It's been washed, it's been waxed, nothing fancy. All right, so check me out, People's Choice Mobile LLC, Tampa, Florida, 833-231-0343 or 526-4426, 813-526-4426. Peace.